Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are cleaning out the fridge. You guys, please don't judge me. I haven't cleaned my fridge since April because I just haven't felt like it. I have turned a blind eye to all the mess in there. But finally, the mess drove me crazy. I was like, okay, this is disgusting. I got vegetables in here rotten, stuffed and spilled all over the doggone bottom of the shelves in the fridge. Let me get this clean and then maintain it so I don't ever have to do this again. But anyways, go ahead and join with me if there's anything in your kitchen that you need to clean. And be sure to subscribe to my channel to see more content like this.
I've been watching you for a while. I know you look at me the same way. You move up close but you don't speak. I have to look the other way. But curiosity is killing me. It gets the better part of me. Watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me. Yeah. One step away, I want you. I gotta know, I gotta know. One step away, I want you. Don't wait too long, don't wait too long. Baby, don't go and mess it up. No, we're closing in, we're so close to love. Yeah. I give you everything you want, babe. I give you everything you want, babe. I give you everything you want, babe. You can't stop looking for love. Everything you want, yeah. Everything you want, yeah. You can't stop looking for love, yeah. Oh, baby. I wanna make you feel so heavenly. Just let me be the one you always need. I'll be the source of all your fantasies. I'm your queen and you are my king. I want so special, I want something new. If you can read my mind, you know what to do. Watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me. Yeah. One step away, I want you. I gotta know, I gotta know. One step away, I want you. Don't wait too long, don't wait too long. Baby, don't go and mess it up now, no. We're closing in, we're so close to love. Alright. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. Give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You gave me feelings, feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You and me, written in the stars. I've been thinking about you day and night, ever since I saw you with your deep blue eyes. There was something that I just couldn't deny. Something starts to burst in my chest deep inside.
I know y'all see all those fingerprints all over my fridge. Look, you guys, my daughter touches everything everywhere all the time, and she's constantly taking her little grubby hands and touching all of my fridge. So I haven't wiped it down yet, but I will be getting to that.
I've been thinking about you day and night, ever since I saw you with your deep blue eyes. There was something that I just couldn't deny. Something starts to burst in my chest deep inside. Why do love like this hurt? Oh my God. It feels like I'm gonna die. It feels like I'm about to die. If I can't have you, and I wanna be alone with you. Alone with you, my love. So I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone with you, my love. Till the day I die, promise me you'll stay, yeah, you love, so I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone, 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 alone with you, my love. Oh, alone, yeah, alone. Why do love like this?
Yes, guys, I know my floors are filthy. Don't pay attention to the floors, just act like they don't exist like I do. But all jokes aside, yes, my floors are dirty, but we're only cleaning one thing at a time. And today was the fridge, and tomorrow will be the floors.
can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder and I don't wanna do what's wrong. Yeah, I don't want no other, 'cause it's with you that I belong. But at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to the place Cause I never wanted you to leave. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be a memory, just another memory. Can we go back? Oh, 'cause I'm looking back. Yeah, I don't wanna be a memory. I can still remember the first time that we kissed. They feel like lights of fire. I don't wanna be a memory. Yeah. Oh, looking back. Yeah, yeah. Looking back. Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild.
Okay guys, I finally got this fridge cleaned and organized the way that I want it to. Now we're gonna go ahead and maintain it, so the next time we clean it, it won't be as big as a mess. It will be like a quick wipe down. But anyways, I hope you guys were motivated to do some cleaning in your kitchen as well. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.